This is tripod 3120A, and I'm going to show you what comes in the box, and this is a setup video, so I'll show you how to set it up and use it. So it comes with the remote also. So let me unbox it. So this is the holder for holding your phone. Then let me get the stand outside its bag. So this is the stand. This is the remote that comes with that tripod stand. It looks like this. First, we have to extend this legs. So to unlock them, you do like this. Then you extend them like this. So you extend and lock these pads, and lock this part, and do the same for the remaining ones. This is the phone. I'll show you how to connect it to the stand, and how to connect it to the remote, and how to connect this phone holder to this one. And I'll also give you a clue or a bonus tip for the best way to use this stand. This is how the stand looks like. On this holder we have a 1/4-inch hole that will be connected to this. So you get this stand like this. Then you can see this bolt. You clamp it this way. Make this holder face this direction. Then down here we have this for locking that holder. So you close it this way. Now it's time to place our phone. So make sure that your phone is placed this way. You have to pull this part upwards after placing your phone like this. So pull it upwards, then place it to the best position possible. Next, what you do is to lock this position. So if you are shooting landscape videos, what you have to do is to lock this part. So make it stable the way you want. Lock this part. Next is to fix this position. So if you are shooting a top-down video like this, you have to fix this position. So what you do is to find the best position. Then this part, this one here, you turn it clockwise, and by doing that you'll have locked the angle. So you can see that it does not, so it is locked. Assume you are shooting top-down videos. You'll have to take your phone like this and point it to the place where you want. So, and you can see that you are now able to record what happens on this table like that. Next thing to do is to adjust the height of this phone from this table. So to do that, we have this pad here. So rotate it anti-clockwise like this, and now you'll be able to adjust the height to your favorite position. Then you lock it like this. So next, let me show you how to rotate your phone to portrait mode. So to rotate it to portrait mode, you have to make it this way, then you lock this part, you lock that part like that. Now it's time to show you how to connect this remote to this phone and be able to shoot your videos. So this remote has a switch. You turn it on like this, and now you can see it is blinking. So what we do first is to switch on our remote, then turn on Bluetooth on this phone, and you should see something like AB Shutter 3. So available devices, it has not been found yet. Let me turn it on again. So AB Shutter 3, tap on that, pair, and now it should be connected. So now it is connected, as you can see. So let's open camera on this phone. Yeah, that way. To take a photo, so because it's an Android phone, you tap on the lower button. So to take a photo of you just tap like that. So you can also use the same way to shoot your video. So you just tap on a video. You can see the moment I tap on it, it starts recording. So you can see, and when I tap on it, it stops recording. So that is it. So you can take both landscape and portrait videos. As long as this remote is connected to that phone via the Bluetooth, you'll be able to record your video. So that is it. Let me give you a bonus tip. So if you have a bracket like this, it will be better than this holder that comes with this, because this is convenient in a way that you can connect a light here, LED light, and you can also connect a microphone. So let me show you how to do that quick, very fast, that way. So after placing your phone like this, you are now able to place this light, and if you have a microphone like this one here, you can attach it to this position here and attach it to that phone. Then you lock it this way. Then this cable here, you place it to the headphone jack port, so that way, and open your camera, and now you'll be able to record video in portrait or so. I think this one is better. You can attach another LED light here and on top, and a microphone, or another LED light to the right, another one to the left, then a microphone to the top. So let me give you my final review. So for someone with a low budget, this is good for you, but if you have some money, purchase something stronger than this one. And this is just 1.2, so it is shorter than 1.1 meters. So I hope this video has been helpful for you. So that has been tripod stand 3120A. This one, tripod 3120A setup and review. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel to support me. I need to reach 1000 subscribers before June, so support me please, and you will enjoy more of my content. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. See you next time.